Welcome to Reunion, a breathtaking master plan community where natural beauty, peaceful living, and modern convenience come together. Hi, I'm Ty Greene, and welcome to American Legend Homes here in Reunion. If you're looking for a community with room to grow, incredible amenities, and homes designed around your lifestyle, you're going to love what Reunion has to offer. We proudly offer a wide variety of 1- and 2-story floor plans ranging from 1,800 to more than 4,500 square feet on spacious 50, 60, and 70-foot wide home sites. Many of our homes also include flexible options like media rooms, additional bedrooms, and 3-car garages, so you can truly personalize your home to fit the way you live. At American Legend Homes, everything we do is built for the way you live. Spanning more than 3,600 acres, Reunion was thoughtfully designed as an everyday retreat with rolling hills, preserved lakes, scenic waterfalls, miles of hike and bike trails, parks, ponds, and a resort-style pool oasis. Located near Highway 114 and US 287 in Rome, Reunion offers the charm of small-town living while staying close to shopping, dining, entertainment, and major destinations like Texas Motor Speedway and Tanger Outlets. Families will also enjoy access to highly acclaimed Northwest ISD schools. I'd love to show you around, answer your questions, and help you find the perfect home here in Reunion. Come visit us today. We can't wait to welcome you home.